Hi, this is Sam Arasimowitz doing my presentation on the Harvard Business School's Change Management Simulation. The organization in the simulation, Spectrum Sunglasses, is looking to create change in order to become a greener and more sustainable. They're already considerably successful, having just bounced back from a recession and getting their budgets back to normal, rehiring employees that got laid off, and setting up collaborations with celebrities that are going to bring in a lot of profit. With all of this in mind, the motive for change behind the new sustainability initiative is to bring in even more profit by appealing to an environmentally conscious market while also reducing waste and greenhouse gas emissions. Another component of this initiative is to release a line of products made from 100% eco-friendly materials. My initial strategy was to do as much as possible to establish familiarity about the sustainability initiative within the company as well as the community. I used actions like announce goals and deadlines and hold town hall meetings as some of my first steps. I thought that by being transparent about my intentions and presenting the idea to everyone in this way, I would quickly increase awareness and gain support. I discovered very quickly that these actions wouldn't help me or the initiative if I didn't have a lot of credibility. Because I didn't establish myself as a credible employee from the very start, nothing that I did throughout the rest of the simulation had any effect whatsoever. My credibility dropped to 1, and I didn't gain any adopters over the 96-week period. I didn't do much of a diagnosis at all during my first trial because I really didn't know what to expect. My predictions about what would work effectively were completely wrong. However, after I finished my first run-through, I took a moment to diagnose and reassess my strategy. I shifted my approach to focus more on forming one-on-one connections that would increase my credibility and make individuals more likely to trust and support me, as well as the initiative. I conducted personal interviews as frequently as possible and hosted internal and external skill-building sessions with small groups. When my credibility was at an 8 or higher, I shared success stories with my coworkers. The result of my second and third trials were significantly more successful than the first one. My credibility stayed high consistently throughout the 96 weeks, and by my last playthrough, I gained enough adopters to implement the sustainability initiative in just 83 weeks. Overall, I learned that someone looking to create change in an organization is more likely to accomplish their goals if they build one-on-one relationships with their coworkers. This increases trust and is the best way to gain support. Thank you for listening.